involvement, I think we would all agree that government alone, the business community alone, individual volunteers alone can't make things happen. Partnerships are necessary, and I think that's what we try to do, and sometimes we succeed. And then this is one occasion where I think we're succeeding significantly. United Way believes strongly that our goal is to create long-lasting changes, not just to dot I's, cross T's, hand out a bag of food now and then in crisis, but really to make long-lasting changes that get real results and work towards preventing problems of our most critical issues from happening in the first place. And we can't do that alone, but we try to convene a lot of partners. So our vision of the community is bold: to ensure that local children have health insurance. So we're part of Healthy Kids Mendocino, helping to support that, and I serve on that advisory committee with various partners. To provide food and shelter to those in crisis, we fund some excellent projects in the county. To reduce and prevent child abuse, again, we're supporting some competitively selected projects that make a real difference with results. And to help local youth succeed in school. So we're working with after-school programs such as those sponsored by Mendocino Youth Project and others. And also, and closest to my heart because of my mother's situation in another state, to help local seniors live more independent, fulfilling lives. So through Redwood community, Redwood Coast Seniors, and also Plowshares, we're helping significantly to make the Meals on Wheels program happen for home delivered services and monitoring of people to stay independent. The results of Day of Caring are going to be significant. As of today, and we still have about 24 hours to go, we have 24 projects. We've been asking private, nonprofit, as well as public entities to post those projects. We have 24 that have attracted volunteers. We have probably 75, we have about 85 volunteers, 75 have actually posted to the website. The sponsors of this are terrific because we don't want to use a penny from the United Way campaigns that are intended to be spent and multiplied in this community. But we have strong sponsors that locally: Mendocino Brewing Company, Savings Bank Mendocino County, Ukiah Walmart, even the Carpenters Union. And so that's cash that's going to make this event happen without a penny of United Way money that's intended for the community. And contributors to everything from coffee, drinking water, the pastries, and in-kind promotions came from Shots, Coffee Critic, again, the Ukiah Walmart, and several radio stations. We have volunteers we have 20, imagine, as of right now, from Fetzer Vineyards, Mendocino Brewing Company, Savings Bank, Ukiah Valley Medical Center's got a lot, Redwood Credit Union, Granite Construction, U.S. Cellular. The entire Mendocino College women's basketball team will be working in one of the county parks. AT&T, Arch, Alliance for Community Health, and a lot of individuals just heard about it on the radio. So we'll be working at private nonprofit sites such as the Senior Center and Redwood Community Services, Ford Street, Project Sanctuary. The Community Center has actually 8 projects. The City of Ukiah's Grace Hudson Museum, NCO, the Rebuild Store, on and on and on. But I want you to know that we have, as of right now, 23 volunteers for both the Low Gap Park and the Hopland Vets Hall under the GSA project. So I'm really looking forward to that. It'll be painting and cleaning and repairing and this sort of thing. So it's a wonderful opportunity not only to get a few things done that help those deferred projects, but maybe more importantly in the long run, to celebrate, put a highlight on volunteerism and community involvement, hopefully make those links between people who care, who are compassionate, who have some time, who want to get involved and be part of the solutions. To get a taste of that, visit these sites, visit these organizations that do a lot of good in the community, and do their part. So we help put it together through a web tool, lots of phone calls, lots of visits, lots and lots of emails. And I actually feel that I had a pretty good night's sleep last night because it's really come together kind of last minute. I'm delighted, and I really want to celebrate and thank you all for the partnership with Mendocino County. You join many others, public, mostly private, to make this happen, and it's going to be a terrific day. I obviously invite you all to join us for the kickoff in front of the Civic Center tomorrow morning. The mayor and I will be thanking the volunteers and the businesses that encourage them. And we're off to work to get a lot of good stuff done. And I
Great.
certainly have, if I have a moment, I'll answer questions. Otherwise, I really thank you for your time and for your support.
Any questions, Mr. Jordan? Okay. Thank you. Thanks for putting this all together and your time. Supervisor Delbert.
Well, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Jordan, you probably said it better than any proclamation can, but I'll try to compete with your enthusiasm there and read the proclamation of the Mendocino County Board of Supervisors recognizing the Day of Caring in Mendocino County, September 10th, 2008, and expressing appreciation to the volunteers throughout the county who joined together to participate in the United Way Day of Caring on this important day of volunteerism and commitment to improving the lives of our county residents. Whereas the United Way Day of Caring, organized and supported by our local three-county United Way since 1990, takes place on Wednesday, September 10th, 2008. And whereas the United Way Day of Caring has grown substantially in Mendocino County and has become a celebration of the spirit of volunteerism in our generous community. And whereas the United Way Day of Caring is an annual event that mobilizes employees of many public and private